Penetration is worse here. Oh shoot.
It's terrific, right? I'm in heaven.
Today it's like 1 o'clock and it's like all smoggy. It's like the worst air condition in Toronto, and Mama wants to be out, so I'm out. We're gonna go try out my HDZero whoop. I haven't used this since Canna whoop, so we got it working again and hopefully everything's good. We're gonna do a little test flight over here and we're gonna do some naughty ripping at the mall and IKEA. Does it work? Yeah, it does. Whoa. Okay.
You wanna go, go, go. 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 I only live for the minute. It's a double meaning. You wanna believe it. If I tell you no, if I tell you no, I only live for the minute. It's a double meaning. You wanna believe it. If I tell you no, if I tell you no, I don't know you see you go, you go, you go, 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 you go, go, go. I don't know you see you go, you go, you go, 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 you go, go, go. You wanna go, go, go. You wanna go, go, go. You wanna go, you wanna go, you wanna go,
Yeah, baby. Ooh, that was a good one. Where am I? No! Are we still alive? Are we still okay? Did we break anything? Hopefully not. I'm very shaky, like my hands are twitchy and crap. Yeah! Oh, battery. That's it. Battery's done. Shouldn't have done that. Shouldn't have done that. Okay, let me show you my favorite HDZero quad. It's basically an Air 2 frame. I put it sideways. And then I got the Happy Model 802s, 2500 kV bi-blades. I think there's a 1610s. Then this print I made, it's at 30 degrees. I'll put it on Maker's World if you want it. All you got to do is go to Maker's World, search Toronto FPV. You can do it. I suggest gluing it in though. Like, it works, you can stick it in, but if you glue it in, it'll hold better. Let's go to see how much fun we can actually have. Can we do it? Can we get away with it? Are we gonna get in crap? Probably. Who knows? Never done IKEA before. Boom. Let's see. I don't know what the penetration is like. No! Holy cow. Penetration is worse here. Hold on. Oh, gone. Oh, they never caught me. It was close though. Now we got to try downstairs. Cameras everywhere. They're watching. There's cameras everywhere. The truth about security cameras is they don't usually watch them all the time. They just go back and check them if they need to, if something happens. So, there's no need to be afraid. They're not actually watching. $370. Oh, we have more.
Are you really mine, or was it just a dream? Are you good for me? Way too good to be everything I need. Are you good for me? Would you be there? Would you be there, baby? Would you be there? Would you be there, baby? Would you be there? Would you be there? Would you be there?
Oh, it's fun to fly for 2 minutes. Yay.
Baby, would you be there? Would you be there? Would you be there, baby? Would you be there? Would you be there? Would you be there, baby? Would you be there? Are you really mine, or was it just a dream? Are you?
Oh, shoot. Where the hell did I...
Telemetry lost.
Do 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 do. Where? There's hopefully a little something that solder can fix.
Good for me, way too good to be everything that I need. Are you good for me? Would you be there? Would you be there, baby? Would you be there? Would you be there, baby? Would you be there? Would you be there? Would you be there? Would you be there, baby? Would you be there? Would you be there? Would you be there, baby? Would you be there? Would you be there? Would you be there, baby? Would you be there? Don't you be calling if you can be mine. I don't wanna break my own heart. You got me falling, I can't see, I'm blind. Show you just go back to the start. Nothing I need, nothing I want other than you, babe. Can you be honest with me? Let me up, don't you have it your way. Nothing I need, nothing I want other than you, babe. Can you be honest with me? Let me up, don't you have it your way. Are you really mine, or was it just a dream? Are you good for me? Way too good to be everything that I need. Are you good for me? Would you be there? Would you be there, baby? Would you be there? Would you be there, baby? Would you be there? Would you be there? Would you be there, baby? Would you be there? Would you be there? Would you be there, baby? Would you be there? Would you be there? Would you be there, baby? Would you be there? Was it just a dream? Was it just a dream? Just a dream? Was it just a dream? Was it just a dream? Just a dream? Was it just a dream? Was it just a dream? Just a dream? Was it just a dream?
I didn't say anything. I should have said stuff. I don't talk when I fly. I need to try doing that more, maybe. So now tell me, would you rather last longer or be better. Rather be better than last longer. Lasting long is nice, but it gets tiring, and you can break stuff. So if you have a tiny whoop and you're flying, you know, the 75 can take a 450, and that's probably pretty nice. But if I had been flying a 450, my drone would probably be broken right now. But because I fly 65 with the tiny 280s, and I fly the 75s with the 300s, yeah, no flight time, but at least I get 2 minutes of joy. If it was analog, I'd get 3 minutes of joy and have better flight performance and everything. So it just might not look as nice, but here's the trade-off. Do you want it to look nice and be able to barely get across the street, or would you like it to not look as nice but be way more trustworthy? You tell me. It's just like a relationship. You date someone too beautiful and you're always worried about someone trying to take them, unless you have no insecurities, or you just don't care, which actually tends to work better than caring most of the time anyways, because it's like you'll care about her so much you'll scare her away. But it's like, oh, I was worried about you so much, I care about you so much, and it's like, oh my god, you cared about me so much that I left you for someone that doesn't care at all. This is toxic information. Okay, I don't know what the point of this was. Why does it always go there? A damaged pass, that's why. Okay. No. We're at the mall, yay!
Come on, let's go find Miniso. Let's go find Miniso.
My reign of terror continues.
We must find the Minisos.
I forgot the radio at IKEA, but I made a friend there named Michael, and he saw that I forgot it and he saved it for me. Savior of the universe. So thank you, Michael, thank you. This is our F signal critical. I don't know why we don't got no. Does this RSSI work? These videos do take a bit of effort to put together. If you enjoy that, please consider becoming a member or a Patreon. Then you also get access to my weekly vlogs that are just more personal. If you don't want to do that, then just keep enjoying and at least smash the like button. It does help. I also design a whole pile of drones, and each one of the drones has its own playlist, so you can go check out the drone's performance and their respective playlists if you're into that. Thanks a lot. Oh man, I'm not gonna make it in the hole. Oh no. Horrible pilot. I am a horrible pilot. Oh goodness. I thought I was in the middle of the road again. Oh. I didn't get to complete the loop. Let's try that again. I wanna be the bearer of buzz like no one ever was. Dun 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 dun. Oh no! To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. Pokemon, you're my best friend. Oh my goodness, disturbing the wildlife. I'm gonna get in trouble. I'll be here until the end. You'll teach me. I'll teach you. Can we do it? I never did that before. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Pokemon. Pokemon, you're my best friend. We'll do it until the end. You'll teach me. I'll teach you. Pokemon.
Telemetry.